careful, don't fall. Uh-oh, where'd you go?
Yay.
You dancing? Say hi, Aunt Sharon. Look what he's playing with. Where? Oh, there it is. His head's blocking it. You can see it behind him a little bit. His birthday present from Aunt Sharon. It's pretty cool. He thinks so. Can you say hi? Can you wave? Say hi. Can you wave? Say hi. No waving right now. There you go. Go take your toy for a walk.